Honor 8X is the most awaited smartphone from Honor this year, and this is the time for it. Our channel's first video was almost a year ago on Honor 7X. Is this a perfect next-gen upgrade? But what about its build quality? Let's find out. 8X comes with Kirin 710, which is as powerful as Snapdragon 660, and you can buy Honor 8X for Rs 13,500 in Amazon with 1,500 cashback by using ICICI cards. The pre-applied screen guard is removed. At front, we have 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and protected by unnamed protection glass. Our guess is Gorilla Glass 3 or a Dragon Tail. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at 6 and sapphire at 8. We can see scratches at level 6 and more deeper cuts at level 7. No need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. The entire front display is protected by glass. At top we have 16 megapixel selfie camera and the sensors, which are too protected by the glass. The earpiece is made up of metal and it's in round shape. Looks great and different. The two-tone glass finish looks awesome and unique. At back, the Honor logo and the AI camera branding is under the glass, so no way of scratching it. The flash is also under the screen. Great, I never seen it before. At top we have 20 megapixel f1.8 aperture camera plus 2 megapixel depth sensor, which is also protected by the same glass. It can recognize 22 scenes by AI. To the right we have volume rockers and power button, which too is made up of metal. The entire side frame is made up of metal. To the left we have SIM card tray, which too is made up of metal. Cool. At top we have microphone, and to the bottom we have speaker grills, headphone jack and USB port A for charging. Come on Honor, throw in a USB-C in future mid-range smartphones. Honor's fingerprint sensors are the most fastest ones I've ever seen. But can it recognize wet finger? Let's find out. No, it doesn't. Only ultrasonic fingerprint sensors like what we saw in Mi 5S, Honor 10 and Max 2 can recognize wet fingers. And we cannot expect that in a mid-range segment, right? Yes, we can't. The fingerprint sensor module doesn't have any protection too. It can be scratched by my razor blade easily. As usual, Honor's fingerprint sensor works great even after scratching. Now let's do the flame test. Honor 8X survived around 10 seconds under direct flame before the pixels turned black. However, pixels recovered after heat dissipation. There were no blue or burn mark in the screen. Expect one if it has an AMOLED display. Honor 8X is not a certified water resistant phone. But will it survive if you drop the phone accidentally in water? Let's find out. Luckily, Honor 8X didn't have any sudden impact due to water damage. It worked perfectly, but water damages tend to show their effect in long-term usage. The speaker works flawlessly even after water test. The audio you hear now is directly from the phone. Honor phones are generally well constructed. Now let's try bend test. The phone bends slightly, but there is no deformation on frame. So no need to worry about it. The phone even does flexible bending. This may be because of gaps inside the phone's component. Now let's do the drop test. Let's drop the phone sidewards. No damages or cracks in both sides of the glass. Last time when I checked on a 9 Lite, you know what happened. Now let's drop the phone vertically. Still, no damages or cracks. Looks like Honor has brought back the air cushion design language to the side frames. Good for the consumers. Now let's drop the phone's rear side facing downwards. Will it survive? No, it doesn't. The back glass shatters. Glass is designed to break. There's no complaint about it. Now let's do the drop of dead. Will it survive? Almost yes. We can see a little crack in the bottom of the display. To avoid these kinds of cracks during drop of dead, company should provide a plastic gasket between the screen and the body of the phone, which can divert the shock during impact evenly to the frame. So, should you buy this phone? I will give a thumbs up for Honor 8X in all aspects. The only thing that bothers me is the Honor silence on what protection glass they use on top of the screen. I'm pretty damn sure that the back glass will be a lower grade than that of the front. They should have used Gorilla Glass on both sides to give an absolute great hardware. Also, thumbs up for our cushion design technology inside frames. Click the thumbs up button if you learned something new. And downvote if not. Like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.
Let it go.